Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Chrome tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background image in Google Chrome to whatever image you'd like. This can be a custom image that you upload, or you can use images provided by Google in the Chrome browser. All right, so the first thing we need to do to actually be able to change the background image in Google Chrome is to open up a new tab. And you could do that by going up to the top and selecting the little plus symbol right here. So when you select that, you should get a new tab that has the Google search bar right here. Now to edit the background of this home screen, all we need to do is go to the bottom right and select the pencil. This will bring up a new menu titled Customize this page, where we can change the background by simply making sure the left sidebar we have background selected, where we have a couple different options. We can select from some images that Google has provided, like we have some landscapes right here, and you can actually have these change daily by just selecting refresh daily. So they'll change daily and go through all of these. You can also turn off the background completely and just have a solid color. But if you want to upload a custom image, all you need to do is select upload from device right here. This will open up the file explorer on your computer or your Chromebook, where all we need to do is find the new background image, select it and open it up, and then that will be the new background image in our Google Chrome browser. All right, so that's how you customize or change the background image in Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Chrome tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.